Yeah, hi. My name is Raj Kiran. Yeah, my this session is very helpful. Yeah, earlier I traded with some of the indicators, but now I came to know that indicators are very useless. Now price action is the only help us. Okay, we can definitely we can on daily basis at least we can get some
Earnings.
earnings.
Okay. So, what about the strategy? It is very new or already you know this?
No, even before I don't know this strategy. This is first time I am
So completely fresh.
completely fresh.
Okay. What do you think about the fake candles?
Yeah, really that would help us.
Okay.
Even next time onwards, I do not enter in fake candles.
Okay.
Earlier, I used to take trades only on fake candles. Now I came to know that.
What is a fake candle? How to
Yeah,
trade with
yes.
this? Super, sir. Super. Thank you, sir. Retake.
My name is Rahul. I am from Hyderabad. I came here with very basic knowledge, but I can say now I can say that I've got some knowledge about stock market, and this is very simple and new topics and all which we have learned with KISHORE sir. I definitely suggest everyone, those who are interested for stock market, they can come and have acquired this knowledge.
Thank you very much. And you, sir.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Abel, and I've taken Mr. Kishore's class on candlesticks, which provides a very different perspective of how to look at the candlesticks, especially the fake candles that we see and how to trade using them. That was an entirely and absolute new journey, which is going to take me to the next level of being a trader. And I'll definitely suggest that if you are into the share market, you definitely need to take this perspective. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.